Hello, and a pleasure to have you here. A viral video showing a Nigerian couple in the United Kingdom has ignited a fierce debate across social media, raising questions about marriage, domestic disputes, and the role of police in the family conflicts. The footage, which has attracted thousands of reactions online, appears to show British police officers responding to a call from a Nigerian woman and asking her husband to leave the family home. The incident has divided opinion, with some viewers arguing that the woman was simply exercising her legal rights, while others believe the situation highlights growing concerns over the misuse of law enforcement during marital disagreements. But what exactly happened, and what does the law actually say?
Hello, sir. How you doing?
Oh,
hello, buddy. I'm really sorry to bother you. How you doing? You all right? What's your name, my friend?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah. It's very bright, your torch on me.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, it's alright, we're recording you as well, so
Yes,
it's all
that's
fine.
fine.
It's all good.
Yeah, please, can you leave now, please?
Sir, did you hear that?
Can you leave now?
What did you say?
Did you hear what your ex-partner said?
She's not my ex-partner.
Okay. Well, so I was
She's
under the
not my
impression
partner. She's my wife.
Okay. But you've still been instructed to leave, haven't you? And this is indeed her property, as far as I'm understanding.
I'm a named occupant.
No, you are not.
Yes, I am.
Because we have the issue last time, and the police came and they took you out from here. They asked you to leave last time.
When was that?
That should be around here. Is it 2003?
Oh, I'm sorry, no one's coming.
Yeah, they asked you to leave, and they are the one that request me, to go and remove your name, and they asked you to leave.
My name is on the tenancy.
No, it's
Could
not.
you bring the tenancy,
Do you have a
please?
copy of that?
No,
Exactly.
Send it to me on my email.
Yeah, bring it on the
sure.
email.
What was your name, sir? Sorry.
My name is Edward.
Edward. Nice to meet you, sir.
I don't know about that. You come into my home to get rid of me, and you said it's nice to meet me.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I don't think it's nice to meet you.
Being polite, though, isn't it?
Well, there is no polite in breaking a home. There is no politeness in breaking a home, officer.
What do you mean breaking a home?
Yeah, coming into my home to get rid of me from my house,
Yeah.
and you say that is you being polite. There is nothing polite about that.
Okay.
Absolutely. I wouldn't come into your home,
We'll agree to disagree.
try to get you out of your home, and I say I'm being polite to you.
Yeah, okay.
I'd rather say you're doing your job as a British police officer.
We'll go with that. That's sweet. I'm all right with
Okay.
that.
Sorry, I just...
That's okay. It's fine. No worries. So, what was your name, madam?
Yeah, home Halade.
Hello there, okay. I'll take this off so I can do it. Sir, I appreciate you probably can't see much with that light on, but would you be able to see this with me? So this is a copy of your tenancy from L&Q.
Yeah, what year was that, sir?
Sorry?
What year?
This is dated 24th of the 8th, 2018, from the tenancy start date of the 8th of the 7th, 2013, and it says tenancy end date not applicable. Hence, it's a rolling contract.
Yeah, a start
Your name,
date.
sir, isn't that on here? Name of the tenant, that's this lady here. Your name is not
What
listed.
year was that issue?
Like I just said, sir. 24th of the 8th, 2018.
Okay.
You won't be able to see it, I suspect, but yeah. So your name is not on the tenancy agreement, sir. That does in fact mean that you don't have the right to be here if this lady doesn't want you to be here. So respectfully, she's asked you to leave. Yeah.
Okay.
Please, can you leave? She has the same power as us in this instance, but we're here just to prevent a breach of the peace. If you refuse to leave, a breach of the peace is likely to occur. We really don't want to do anything like that, so we respectfully ask you to leave.
Okay. Now,
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm happy that we've cleared that grey area.
Indeed.
Now, Lewisham Council has said to me, by virtue of being legally married and the marriage is still binding, she cannot request me to leave.
Okay.
So have you got that in a bit on? Have you got that as a document?
I don't have it, but I could check. I could check.
How are you going to check? Because this is also an
I have
LMQ property. It's
Yeah,
not,
it is.
It's
It
not
is.
Lewisham Council.
Yes, but they said to me, because I called them and I went there, I called them, and they said to me,
It's really blinding my eyes.
Yeah, would you mind just angling it down slightly, sir?
Oh,
It's not
sorry.
blinding us.
Yeah, sorry. I said, let me put it down somewhere here.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah.
Worst case scenario, I'll call Lewisham Council again, and you can have a chat with them.
No,
We
that's
don't
not,
need to do that.
So, because it's
Well, because they said to me,
it's falling into the realms of a civil matter, sir.
yeah, it is a civil
You're
matter.
saying it's-
It is a civil matter,
Yeah.
and exactly what they said, that the police has no involvement in it.
Okay. Respectfully,
Yeah.
that's what the council told you. I
Yeah.
understand that, but from what we've got, this lady who is the owner, is the tenant, the only registered tenant of this property,
Yeah.
does not want you, who is not registered on this property,
Yeah.
in this place. Yeah.
And they said
She's asked you
that-
to leave. At the moment, it looks like you're refusing to take action on that. If you disagree with that, and you're saying that the council told you this advice, which you have not provided in writing, that's
No,
is
you
a civil
are an
matter,
officer
sir.
of the law.
I am, sir. So
Okay,
now I'm
so you know the law.
respectfully asking you
Excuse
to
me,
leave.
excuse me. Let me.
Sir, you're going to leave.
Let me make my point. Let me
made
make
your
my
point,
point.
sir. Are you
No,
going to leave?
no, I'm saying to, I've not made my point. I'm saying to you, Lewisham Council has said to me when I went to them that my wife has evicted me. They said, you've called her your wife, which means, and they asked me, do you have a marriage certificate? I say, yes. Is the marriage certificate legal tender? No. Is the marriage certificate legally issued in Britain? I say, yes. They said to me, well, as long as the marriage is not annulled.
You don't need to shout. I'm just here. It's all right.
They said to me, as long as the marriage is not annulled, you have the legal right to be in the same house with her, and there is no violence involved. You have the same right that she has. You've got children together.
Yeah.
You have the same right to be in the house as she has.
Okay.
So if you tell me that that is not valid, if you tell me that that is a lie, that they have lied to me, I have a caseworker, okay, with Lewisham Council for the homeless. I will take that to her, and what she has requested me to get from you lot, if you turn up, is a reference for this.
Okay, a CAD number. I
We
guess.
can
Yeah,
give you that. We can
and
do that.
an eviction notice issued by you that you remove me.
We
No,
don't,
we
we
don't
don't
do
issue
that.
eviction
Okay,
notices.
so you will give me
that
a
would-
reference.
We can give you a reference. Yeah, of
You
course.
give, yeah, okay.
But you need to leave.
I will leave.
Amazing.
I will
Brilliant.
leave.
Come
Yeah,
on.
I'm happy that you've said that to me.
That's fine.
At least
I
that
just need
validates.
to grab your
Yeah,
details as well before
yeah.
you go.
That validates everything that has occurred.
Yeah.
That validates everything that has occurred here
So
today.
you get a CAD number, that's not
Yeah.
a problem at all.
Okay.
If you just grab your clothes and some shoes. Do you want me to? You,
Huh? Oh yeah, you go. I'll make sure we're all right. Yeah, sweet.
we'll just be here.
Will you just
I'll get her.
and yeah, thank you. I'll give you that reference number, shall I, sir?
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll start that once that's done. Yeah. Joel 43. Can I get the CAD number for our current sign, please, Bartram Road?
Is it 5 o'clock now?
5-2.
Bartram Road is 5237 number.
Thank you. Is your reference number?
Any units available?
So that's the reference. Oh, I know the report. That's the reference number of what you've asked for. Okay.
Okay.
The video circulating on Facebook captures a tense exchange between the couple and the police officers inside what is believed to be called their home in the United Kingdom. During the confrontation, the husband questioned why he is being asked to leave, insisting that he has legal rights to remain in his property. The woman, meanwhile, appears to tell others that she no longer wants him in the house. While the footage has gone viral, it does not provide the events leading up to the police visits, making it impossible to determine from the video alone what prompted officers to attend the property. No official police statement identifying the individuals or explaining the circumstances has been released publicly. Across social media, many users have claimed that the husband sponsored the wife's relocation to the United Kingdom before the relationship later deteriorated. Others have alleged that the dispute followed years of marital disagreements. The incident has also renewed discussions about how domestic disputes are handled in the United Kingdom. British police are required to respond whenever they receive reports suggesting that there may be concerns about domestic abuse, threats, harassment, or possible breach of the peace. Their immediate priority is to protect everyone involved and assess any potential risks. Depending on the circumstances, officers may ask one party to leave temporarily, make an arrest if an offense is suspected, or decide that no further action is necessary. Each situation is assessed individually based on available evidence rather than assumptions about gender or nationality. Legal experts have repeatedly pointed out that being married does not automatically prevent police intervention when concerns about safety are raised. At the same time, the ownership or tenancy of a property can also affect what officers are able to do. If both spouses have legal rights to occupy the home, removing one person permanently generally requires legal procedures rather than a decision made during a single police visit. The viral video has also reignited wider conversation within the Nigerian diaspora about cultural expectations, marriage, and life abroad. Some commentators argue that couples relocating overseas sometimes struggle to adjust to different legal systems and family dynamics. Others believe disputes that might once have been handled privately are increasingly resulting in police involvement because authorities in countries like the United Kingdom take domestic complaints very seriously. These differing views have fueled passionate discussions online, with many calling for better understanding of local laws before conflict escalates. Reports of similar disputes involving Nigerian couples living in the United Kingdom have appeared in the media for over the past few years, often generating significant public interest. Some cases have involved allegations of domestic abuse, while others have centered on disagreement over housing, immigration status, or financial responsibilities. The current video also highlights the growing influence of social media in shaping public opinion. Within hours of being shared, thousands of viewers have already formed strong conclusions despite the absence of verified details about what happened before police arrived. Some praised the woman for seeking help, while others criticized what they believe was an abuse of legal protections. Without official findings, however, both positions remain based largely on assumption rather than confirmed evidence. Whether this incident eventually becomes clearer will depend on whether those involved choose to speak publicly or whether relevant authorities release additional information. What can be confirmed is that the video has sparked an important conversation about relationships, legal rights, and the responsibilities of law enforcement when responding to domestic disputes. What do you think? Is police involvement in marital issues a sign of exercising legal rights or misuse of the law? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this report informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest updates in Nigeria and worldwide. I'm Chimezrim Okoro, and thanks for watching.